Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity account for a non-profit organization. So if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity account for a non-profit organization, then this video is going to show you the way. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in on the website, or you can choose to do that on the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on Accounts and then click Non-Profit Accounts. Now, there you can initiate the non-profit account setup process. You're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's the details of the non-profit, and then just choose the non-profit account options when you're done. And once that's done, you need to confirm the non-profit account details just to make sure everything is accurate. And once that's done and set up, you can monitor the non-profit account activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity account for a non-profit organization. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.